Comes the field for tonight's 7th race, Twin Trifecta Exchange. Quite a few tickets are still alive. Number 1 is Fritzy Sam, owned by Bill Fritz and Gerald McHenry with Jim Daly. Number 2, Morgan T, owned by Magic Touch, Earl Ricks and Loretta Crown with Jack Daly. 3 is It's All Good, owned by Mary Kearns and John Wally with Ryan Holton. Number 4, Rock, Roll, and Rumble, owned by Myron Brown and David Brumbaugh, driven by Darren Mauser. 5, Jack Lee Gino, owned by Robert Henry with Justin Hall. 6, Can't Change Destiny, owned by Joe Porter, Gerald Meyer, and Rocky Stidham with Al Jones. 7 is After the Loot, owned by Robert Heacock and David Miller. 8, Multi Bestos, owned by Ronald Collier and Dan Ader. 9, I'm a Sharp Fellow, owned by Clyde McNabb, driven by Jeff McNabb. And 10 is Confession, owned by Darrell Lewis and driver Mark Winters, who will be in the sulky. Field for race number 7, post time in 5 minutes. And there they go. They're off and pacing Rock, Roll, and Rumble away safely tonight. It's All Good and Fritzy Sam toward the rail. Morgan T drives in the middle of the racetrack. Here comes Can't Change Destiny up on the outside. Out of the second tier, Confession 6th. Jack Lee Gino is 7th. After the Loot is 8th. Multi Bestos 9th. I'm a Sharp Fellows 10th on the outside. They're on their way to the quarter-mile pole. Rock, Roll, and Rumble away nicely, leads and good, 28-2. Past the stands to the half-mile pole, jumping off stride inside the pylons. That is the 3. It's All Good. 3 was off stride. Here comes Morgan T with a rush on the outside. Challenge 4 and now get the lead. Morgan T drives away on top by 2. Rock, Roll, and Rumble is in the second. Followed up on the outside by Fritzy Sam to third. Around the clubhouse, turn to 4th as they hit the half-mile pole. Can't Change Destiny. Underway, Jack Lee Gino, saving ground after the Loot. Up on the outside, Confession. Between horses, Multi Bestos. I'm a Sharp Fella, and It's All Good as the distant trailer. They're at the half in 58-2, and we're down to 9. Little more than 3/8 of a mile to pace. Morgan T bouncing right along. Rock, Roll, and Rumble second. Here comes Jack Lee Gino sweeping up on the outside. Fritzy Sam can't go on, and here comes Can't Change Destiny. Racing by 3/4 in 1:28-2. Looks like these top 3 are going to take some catching in here. Nearest the rail, Morgan T. Rock, Roll, and Rumble up on the outside. Jack Lee Gino on the far outside, and these 3 will contest the try and the twin try. Jack Daly bidding for the hat trick is now beginning to draw clear. It's Morgan T. Battle for second. Rock, Roll, and Rumble will get there over Jack Lee Gino. Earl Bay Gelding by Chairman of the Board out of Discreet Charm. Owned by Magic Touch Incorporated. Earl Ricks of Georgia and Loretta Crown of Ohio. Trained by Tony Ann Boroff-Hayner. Given a well-judged drive by Jack Daly. To cover the mile here in 1:57-2, Morgan T, the winner. Triple tonight for driver Jack Daly.